Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to talk about where you find a video you reposted on TikTok. So let's get started. Well, after getting the application, and if you like any video on TikTok and repost it, here is how you can find that video. As a first step, go to your profile by tap here at the bottom, then tap here. And here you will find all the video you reposted. Thanks for watching. See ya.